Hello YouTube, today I'll be showing you how to replace a car battery. Before you start, you might want to write down your favorite radio stations, just in case. The first thing you want to do is plug in a memory saver into your OBD2 port. Alright, memory saver's in and it's on. Open up the hood. You want to open up the hood, just stick your hand under and slide to the right. Next you want to disconnect the negative battery cable with a 10mm socket. This out of the way. With a 13mm, you want to unscrew the retainer bolt. Next, get the retainer out. Loosen the bolt on the positive battery cable. I'll get the battery out. Now I'm going to head over to Walmart and exchange my battery. If your battery is corroded like in the Civic, you're going to want to use baking soda and water to clean it up. Make sure your terminals are clean before you reconnect them. We got our new battery. I'll take off the plastic covers. Now we're going to put the battery into the car. Make sure the positive side is closer to the steering wheel. This one closer to your headlamps. I'll tighten the positive. Now put the retainer on. The retainer bolt in there. Tighten the retainer bolt to 16 foot-pounds. Attach the negative terminal, tighten it till 40 inch-pounds. Make sure the terminals are secure. Alright, everything's secured. Now just close the hood. Unplug your memory saver. If you had anything plugged into your OBD port, plug it back in. Now the final step is simple. Test out your new battery. Make sure your car is able to start up. Alright, looks like I got everything. Time's correct.